Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So the Google Pixel 6a live images for the retail box has been leaked, which pretty much give us an idea how the device is going to be look alike and what the design of the box could be. Basically, this new leak has been coming from a new tech website called Tech Zen, which is basically giving us a basic idea of the retail box. And talking about the box design, it's going to be looking similar to the Pixel 6 device, same logo and same image that has been appeared on the box. But things are quite noticeable here that the Pixel 6a will be coming with a same color option both on the top and the bottom of the device, which looking different from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro because they were coming with a two-tone color option. And the camera module that is coming for the Pixel 6a also looks a little bit thinner. On top of that, we are also going to see dual camera setup on the back side alongside with an LED flashlight. Its horizontal camera bump is looking same as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Talking about the camera's sensor, it is expected that we are going to see the Sony IMX 363 sensor that was previously used in the Pixel 8 devices. They will not provide you the same level of performance of the images as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, but definitely give you a better good quality images. As far as the video quality, we do expect it's going to be same as the Pixel 5. The other thing that has been appeared in the leaks is about the processor. You see, Google Pixel 6, just like Apple, is bringing their same tensor chip that they have introduced in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro inside their devices, just like Apple that has done the A15 Bionic chip that they have put in the SE3 series. So definitely this is going to be a big jump in terms of performance as compared to the last year Pixel 5a. And the other specification about the Pixel 6a will be that it's coming with a 6.4 inch of OLED display similar to the Pixel 6, and it's going to be having similar bezels as compared to Pixel 6. We do expect it's going to be coming with in-display fingerprint scanner support. Also, Gorilla Glass protection is available. IP67 or 68 rating could be coming for the Pixel 6a. And guys, on top of that, you also going to get Android 12 support with 3 years of software update and 4 year of security update is also coming for the Pixel 6a devices. So guys, overall this device looked promising. Its price is going to be lower and the launch date could be expected to be coming in the month of May, as Google I/O is going to be held on that similar time. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new Pixel 6a design? Thanks for watching. Peace.